Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a crucial update on Bitcoin dominance and what it means for the market. My bearish outlook on BTC dominance is still intact. The strong downtrend continues on both the daily and H4 charts with clear bearish momentum, and the previous weekly candle also closed bearish, reinforcing the downward pressure. The key resistance to watch is the 59.50%, 60% zone. As long as we stay below this, I expect a deeper correction down toward the 54%, 55% support level we mentioned a few weeks ago. The 50% fib at 53% is another important technical area to keep an eye on. Reaching these levels could trigger the beginning of altcoin season. An interesting note is that some altcoins are showing impressive resilience, which could signal upcoming capital rotation into low and mid-cap alts. Now, historically, September tends to be a red month for the stock market, and following the current structure, we may see several more weeks of a red or sideways market before a potential altcoin season truly begins around the end of the year. Personally, I focus more on fundamental analysis and higher time frame pattern structures to spot money rotation out of Bitcoin and large caps into selected altcoins. For example, SEI looks very well positioned to rally soon, even as Bitcoin dominance remains bearish. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now, where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.